Good morning, children. Children, today we will start our word problems based on measurement of capacity, that is exercise 10.5. Okay, so children, in our word problems, we will read the question, we will understand the question, and then you will solve it, and you have to write the statements. Okay, it's compulsory. So let's read the question number 1. Mira is an athlete. She drinks 1 liter 500 ml of milk and 3 liter 400 ml of water every day. She also drinks 725 milliliter of juice every day. How much liquid does she drink per day? So, you have to find the total liquid, how much liquid she drink per day. So, she is drinking milk also, she is drinking water also, and she is drinking juice also. So, to find the total quantity of the liquid, we will add these three, isn't it? So, let's start, children. We will write the statement also. So, let's do it. Quantity of milk she drinks, that is 1 liter 500 ml. Quantity of water she drinks, 3 liter 400 ml. And quantity of juice she drinks, 725 ml. So, total liquid she drinks per day, you have to add these three. So, add here. Now, children, you add these three values. Under liter, you write 1 liter, and under ml, you write 500 ml. Under liter, you write 3. Under ml, you write 400. Now, there is no liter now, so under liter, you will write here 0. And under ml column, you will write 725. Now, children, you will do here addition. On addition, you will get 5 liter 625 milliliter. So, write here 5 liter 625 milliliter answer. Okay, children. Now we will move to question number 3. Anil mixed 5 liter 425 ml of hot water and 4 liter 725 ml of cold water in a bucket. How much water is there in the bucket? So, Anil is mixing the hot water and the cold water. So, to find the total quantity of water, we will add these two. Okay, quantity of hot water and the quantity of cold water. Children, let's write the statement. Quantity of hot water is 5 liter 425 ml. Quantity of cold water is 4 liter 725 ml. Therefore, total quantity of water in the bucket, you will add this hot water and the cold water. So, children, you will make here two columns, liter and milliliter. Under liter, you mention the numbers. Under milliliter, you write the numbers. And then you do addition. So, children, you may see on addition we are getting, it is your 10 liter 150 ml. So, in the bucket, 10 liter 150 ml water is there. I hope it is clear. Okay. Now, let's move to the next question, children. Now, we are moving to question number 5. 3 vessels filled with oil had 4 liter 250 ml, 6 liter 125 ml and 5 liter 450 ml of oil respectively. These all were emptied into a big tank with the capacity of 18 liter 500 ml. How much more oil can be filled in the bigger tank? So, children, there are 3 small containers, and in the 3 small containers, these much oil are there. Okay? Respectively means in the first container this much oil, second container this much oil, third container this much oil. Now there is a big tank and the capacity of the big tank is 18 liter 500 ml. Now what we are doing? We are just emptied all these smaller cans in the bigger tank. But still few space is left over there. So you have to find the left space in the bigger tank. How much capacity is left over? Okay, let's do it, children. Children, I have tried to explain it with the figures. Suppose it is the first small tank. Now this is the second container. This is the third container. Okay, the capacity of first container is 4 liter 250 ml. Second container capacity is 6 liter 195 ml. Third container capacity is 5 liter 450 ml. Now there is a big container and the capacity of this big container is 18 liter 500 ml. Now what we will do? We will just empty all these 3 into this bigger one. Okay. Suppose here you may look at the figure. So these 3 containers we are just emptied in the bigger one, but still this much portion is left. Okay, so you have to find the leftover capacity. How much oil can be filled more? Okay, so let's do it, children. First of all, we will find the total, yes, oil in these small containers. In these 3 small containers, how much oil is there? We will find it. Let's do it, children. So we are writing the statement. Our statement is quantity of oil in the first vessel, quantity of oil in the second vessel, and quantity of oil in the third vessel. So total oil in the 3 vessels altogether. Altogether in the 3 vessels, how much oil is there? We will add it. So show addition in your copy, children. And we are getting, we have 15 liter 895 ml of oil in all the 3 small containers. So this much oil we are just going to, yes, we are just going to empty it in the bigger container. Now what we are doing? Capacity of the bigger tank is 18 liter 500 ml. But we have just filled this much oil. So, how much portion is left? To find it, we will subtract the capacity of the bigger tank with this number. Yes, the oil contained by the 3 vessels. Now, quantity of oil can be filled more in the bigger tank. The capacity of the bigger tank minus the total oil in the 3 vessels. Okay, so you subtract these 2. I am doing here subtraction. Make here 2 columns, liter and milliliter. Under liter you write here 18. Under milliliter you write 500. Now again under liter you write 15. And under milliliter you write 895 ml. Now do here subtraction, children. Yes, now this 0 will borrow from this 0. Now this from 4. So what happens? 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 9 is 0, 14 minus 8 is 6, 7 minus 5 is 2 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So we are getting 2 liter 605 ml. So this much oil can be filled more. Okay, this much capacity is left. You can fill here this much oil more in this, yes, in this space. So how much oil can be filled more? 2 liter 605 ml. I hope it is clear. So what you have to do, children? You have to add this quantity of oil in these 3 vessels and then you will subtract from the total capacity of the bigger tank. Okay, clear?